Understanding your target audience and their needs is crucial for effective marketing. Setting clear and measurable marketing goals will guide your strategy. Choosing the right digital marketing channels ensures you reach your audience effectively. Creating engaging and relevant content captivates your target market. Utilizing SEO strategies enhances your visibility in search results. Implementing data analytics allows you to track performance accurately. Adjusting strategies based on analytics insights leads to improved outcomes. Investing in paid advertising can yield quicker results for your campaigns. Leveraging social media enhances brand awareness and engagement. Continuously evaluating and optimizing your campaigns is essential for sustained success.